In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Chatgpt4 desktop app in just a few simple steps. Whether you're eager to utilize this powerful tool right on your computer or just want to explore its features, downloading the desktop app is straightforward and only takes a few minutes of your time. Let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll first want to open your web browser and navigate to the official Chatgpt desktop page. This is the starting point of getting the app onto your device. Make sure that you're visiting an official page to avoid any potential confusion or issues. If you're unsure where to find it, a simple web search for Chatgpt desktop download should direct you to the right place. Once you're on the Chatgpt desktop page, take a moment to choose your preferred platform. The desktop app is versatile and fits seamlessly whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or any other supported system. Selecting your correct operating system ensures that the app runs smoothly without any compatibility hiccups. With your platform selected, go ahead and click on the download button. You might see a pop-up or a direct link to download, so just a quick click will start the process. This file will be relatively small, so the download should complete quickly, even on a standard internet connection. After the download completes, it's time to open up the file. Locate the downloaded file, which is typically stored in your Downloads folder, unless you've selected a different location. Double-click to open it, and this will initiate the installation process. Follow any prompts that may appear. They are standard across most software downloads and focus on ensuring you have all the necessary components installed. Once the installation wraps up, the next step is to launch the Chatgpt app. You can usually find the newly installed app in your Applications folder or menu. Open the app to reveal the Chatgpt interface, giving you a better look at what's in store. Finally, to get started with using Chatgpt4, sign in using your OpenAI or Chatgpt credentials. If you don't have an account yet, registration is straightforward and can be done directly within the app. By signing in, you gain access to all of ChatGPT's capabilities, allowing you to begin exploring or working on your projects straight away. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and set up the Chatgpt4 desktop app. It's ready for you to delve into with all its intriguing features waiting to be explored. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. If you did, feel free to subscribe for more content like this. Happy exploring!